In this help video, I'd like to show you how we download and install the MTP RT add-ons for NinjaTrader 7. So here I am in our members section of the MTPredictor website, and I've gone to the MTP RT for NinjaTrader 7 section here, and you can see we have a download link in the middle here. If you want to read the rest of the page, you can do. It gives you a bit more information as well as build history for the prior versions, just for your own interest. But what we're going to do is, as it says, click here to download and install. So what we'll do is click on that link there to download and install. I'm using Windows 7, so now it's telling me do you want to run this file at the bottom here. So if I choose run, it will give a warning probably, because Windows 7 is sometimes a bit picky about what it can do, but that's absolutely fine. All we do is, again, we select run. You can see at the bottom here, and what it'll do any second now is bring up another window. Run this program anyway. That was just a warning from my antivirus thing, so that was, I just said yes, it could run there. It'll probably say unknown publisher, which is fine, so just say yes, and now it comes up to the installation program, and it really is as easy as you just click on next and then install, and as you can see, it does it really quickly, and that's it. It's now installed into NinjaTrader, so we can do finish. Now what we can do is, if we open up NinjaTrader, I'm just opening NinjaTrader, just bear with me for a second while NinjaTrader opens. Just opening now. I'll just connect to a data feed just so we're connected. Right, we're connected there. Now what I'll do now is I'll just open up a new chart. I'll do File, New Chart. It doesn't really matter what it is. Just open any chart in NinjaTrader. I'll bring that into the video. You can see that chart there. And what we've done in these RT add-ons is we've added templates, and I'll talk about those more in the next video. But what we do to start with is, if we right mouse click now, we come down to templates, and what we'll do is we'll load. Now again, I'll talk about these in more detail in the next video, but I'm just going to load this template and just show you what happens. Because it's the first time we do this, we get a product registration box come up. As you can see here, it says MTPredictor product has not been registered. So all we do now is just fill in these boxes. So what I'll do is I'll put my code in there. I'll then put my first name, whoops, if I can spell, my second name, and my email address. Then you just click on register, and what it does is it goes on there and it actually comes up with a box. In this case, it's said it's because it's been registered successfully. You can see here product has been registered successfully. It means now you're okay to use the add-ons, and as you can see, we now have our coloured reversal bars on the chart. We have our connected pivots, we have our STF indicator, our VSA indicator, and if I scroll back to see if we can find any setups, yes, we have our automatic setups on the chart. So really the installation and then the registration of the MTP RT add-ons is quite straightforward, and as you can see, we've gone through them in this help video for you.